Hedu ka All India Power Engineers Federation Shailandra Dube haka Jingwan jung ha Shillong ban Shimanta haka General Conference jung engineer ka MEECL ulakan tu menteri rang ba ka jela konrat ke sangma ba ni kren lang ba Prime Minister kari ban parwan ra kerki ya ka Electricity Amendment Bill 2022 ha Parliament. Chairman juga Federation Ulongru baka baki engineer juga tanat power kidawa bari ay peteng mandawa na sarkar pedang kalong badan kam bandaya taibha swaharan san paiba kamtam barkino padan kam boarding kumjuru kibatrei hak teka tanat.
Of India, R.K. Singh Saab had announced a few days before the starting of the monsoon session of Parliament that Electricity Amendment Bill 2022 will be placed before the Parliament. Although in the list of the bills to be placed before the Parliament, Electricity Amendment Bill 2022 is not listed there. But we are opposing it, and in that reference, this conference of the Meghalaya Energy Corporation Power Engineers Association was very important. Why we are opposing Electricity Amendment Bill 2022? Because the bill is providing the path for it is paving the path for the privatization of the power sector. And after the privatization of the power sector, subsidies and cross subsidies will go in one do. What is the meaning of subsidy? When we are supplying electricity to the poor consumers, to the farmers, to below poverty line consumers, even to the domestic consumers having consumption of 300, 400 units per month, that is a subsidy. And when subsidy will go, nobody will get the electricity below rupees 10 to rupees 12 per unit. And the electricity will be unaffordable for the farmers, for the common man, which is very dangerous. Then electricity is on the concurrent list of the constitution. That means central government as well as state government both have the equal right to make the law. But central government is unilaterally forming the law, and which is breaking the spirit of the federalism and imposing the laws of the privatization on the states, and in the name of financial help, arm twisting is also going on there. So this is one of the very important point, that private discoms will be using the network of the existing discom of the government department, and government department has spent hundreds of thousands of crores of rupees on the erection of the network, and every day we are spending hundreds of crores in the operation and maintenance of the network, and government companies, without spending a single penny, will be simply minting the money through this network. So we are opposing Electricity Amendment Bill in the larger interest of the state, in the larger interest of the consumers, and in the larger interest of the power employees. And through this press conference, through media, I would like to appeal Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya that Meghalaya government, like other governments of the country, should also have written a letter to all the chief ministers to oppose the Electricity Amendment Bill. And since I am here in Shillong, so very respectfully, I request and I appeal to Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya also to write a letter to the Honorable Prime Minister and oppose the Electricity Amendment Bill. And the bill should not be rushed through in the Parliament without having a proper debate with all the stakeholders, particularly with the electricity consumers and electricity employees.